I got a new frog hat at Chipotle.
Mom! Mom! My mom's a cow and now it's raining. Oh! God, this door's locked too!
Back over the edge.
Ah! When you wake up each morning and you get out of bed, what do you expect? I know what I expect when I get out of bed, and it's exactly what I get. And that's why it's hard to get out of bed in the morning. What does it matter if I find cover from the rain? Tomorrow I'll get rained on. The next day I'll get rained on. Why look for cover when the rain's just gonna keep coming? Give up! Sit in the rain and stay there! Because no matter what, it's gonna keep raining on you. What's the point? You eat a McDonald's cheeseburger, you get hungry the next day. You drink a Red Bull, you get thirsty in 30 minutes. You have fun with your friends and then you go to work. The feeling that remains always is pain. Pain. So just accept it. Just accept it all. Just accept it. Because there's nothing you could do about any of it. So you just have to fucking accept it. And it feels good to just accept it. To just let it all cascade over you. Oh. Do a little flip. There.